Yeah. Cutting that thing up. Cutting it up. Loading it up out here. You already got a quart in there.
We're getting there. Be a while. Be a lot of cutting. We got that. We don't start. We don't advance. We gotta get started. Stay right there. No pass. But this is good wood, bro.
This is good?
Look at that soft ass wood. Dry. It's nice and dry.
How much this will burn? How long this piece of wood?
One that lasts long. This is a good wood.
God damn, I love women.
This is the good shit. That other shit that I had wasn't that good because
Say what's up to YouTube, man.
that's aspen. This is
Say
pine.
what's up to YouTube.
Huh?
Say what's up to YouTube.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
On YouTube or what? What's up, YouTube? Oh fuck.
Yeah, let me get that tie out of here. What a big monkey's that.
We're not to get some axes so we can start splitting and shit and going for more.
That trailer, what? Oh my God. Roll them babies in there.
That one. A little bit. Should we go a little bit up or what? See if we find some bigger trees, right? The bigger the trees are, the faster we get this shit done.
Easier to split the baby they are.
Yeah,
Definitely is too. My fault about that, YouTube. Back in the woods, man. Getting this wood, look. That thing looking good. Thing looking good. That bag still sore. 4 minutes in. This one right here, that's bad wood.
Let's check it
Let's check it
out.
out. Check him out. Check him out. Bad. Nah, that's not good.
That's bad. You see how that shit is right there?
Just split it, right?
Nah, this is water damage. Look at
Water damage.
that. Look at that shit. That shit
Trees get
disintegrate.
water damage too. Let's walk this way.
Yeah.
Take a walk. Take a walk.
We're up too.
The drier the better.
Yeah, the drier the better.
The drier the better. But we also gotta find some good trees, and we don't want to just be cutting unnecessary trees that still could give, you know, good oxygen. Where?
But that one's not that big. See, I'm trying to.
That one down there?
Yeah.
That's a nice log.
It's not worth the time.
It's not worth your time.
So we had to make a way in there to get to that fucker, and look how little it is. Go for a drive, bro. Come on.
Alright, come on now. Go for the drive.
Go more up.
Alright. Go more up, man. We're going higher up.
We're gonna go all the way to the tip top.
To the tippity top. For that good wood. I don't want this.
Cut in here, watch.
I don't
Oh
want,
yeah, right there. Those ones.
I don't want this
People are
stuff.
taking all these fucking trees. Oh, is that one over there?
It take a while for these trees to grow.
I think I just saw him.
It take, yeah.
Yeah, there he is.
Where, which one?
Found one right there. Boom, straight up for him. A big motherfucker.
Yeah. Well, like water damage, water damage, water damage.
Bro, look at all this wood.
All this treated.
You see that tree right there?
All this stuff, I could build me a dog house.
See that one?
Yeah.
A big one?
This one right here.
Right there. We're gonna get that one there.
Get this one next.
Yeah.
Cut him down. With the
Yeah.
truck on you right there, I could walk that. You gonna move it closer?
Yeah, fuck yeah. We gotta move it right here.
You sure these not gonna flat us out, right?
Put it right here. We'll fuck the stuff right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let me get that tire and stuff situated. Let's put the tire actually in the back. But yeah, you too. Out here in the woods today, I got my bling on. Thank God today, you know. Nothing but peace and blessing. I should have bought a rake, low key. Gotta clean up, make way for my truck to come through. I don't need this stuff. I could use this for a Christmas tree. Oh shit. Get some good sticks for the dogs. Give me a reason to love me. Love me. You know, YouTube, it's going down, baby. Which one you about to cut? Get them things out the way. Oh! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh!
That's it. Since we get through.
Yeah. Let's move this out the way. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm in the woods. I'm in the woods.
Yeah. Yeah. Ready? Yeah, just get that out of the way. There he is. Yeah! Yeah!
In the woods. In the woods with it, man.
You ready?
Just pick your sword up. Hold on. Put them choppers in there. Put them choppers in there, you know what I'm saying? Put them choppers in there. Them choppers.
Let's roll.
All right, hold on. The tire, this stuff up here. Put that in the back.
Yeah, this is going right here.
Nah, for the wood, man. You gonna mess it up. Prepare it nice and neat, you know? Do it right. Do it right.